Sixes hanging the door. What kind of shit to ignore? I've cut the cloth. Ooh, not so cool. How to know who to rate? How to know who can call up all the questions? We know that I'm red, come to clean our name. I fell in love, I heard about it.